Okay, so the second tutorial program I want to demonstrate how to convert into a function is tutorial 173. As I said, if you're a GoldPass member, you can already look at this for Q&A 50, but I'm just going to do it again for those who are not GoldPass members who would like to see a little bit more information. As you can see, the original tutorial aims to show when there's a trend up and a trend down, as you can see in this graph. So let's go to the original program, which is tutorial 173. As you'll see, we've got several inputs, and then we're calculating, is it an uptrend or a downtrend? And we're also calculating the super trend value. So let's have a look at as a function. A lot of the inputs I've changed into numeric simple, so they will be actually input values that will input into the function. So ATR length, ATR mult, av high low, etc, etc. And then the only one that's slightly different is we need to have a value which we're going to return for the super trend value, and I'll show you how we do that. Again, a lot of the syntax is pretty much identical to the original program. But what we're doing is we're returning into tutorial 173 function, name of this function, the direction. And the direction is something that we calculate in both programs. Let's have a look. Just go down. This is the original indicator, and you can see that direction is something that we're calculating there. So let's go back to the function. So we're returning the direction in the name of the function. We're also returning a value for super trend, and as I've said, that is going to be put into O super trend, which I have set up here as a numeric reference. So that is the function. Again, pretty similar to the original program. And you can watch this and type it in if you like, or there is a download available. But what we also need is something to call the function. So we're simply going to put in the values we need into the function. And again, you can see what those are if you just go to the top of the function, what they all mean. But we put those values into the function, and then we have a value here, which you could make a variable. I've just used value 2. That is going to return whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend. So value 1 is whether it's up or down. So if value 1 is negative, then we plot value 2, which is the super trend value. But we give it a specific color. And again, if value 1, in other words, the trend going up is 1, then we plot the same value, but we plot it a different color. And what I've done is on the original chart, I've applied the original program, and I've also applied the program calling the function, and I've just made the lines of very different thicknesses, so you can see that we are getting the same values, and of course the inputs are the same. Okay, so hopefully that might be useful for you, and if you wish to download it, you may do so. If you're a GoldPass member, look at Q&A 50, which is more or less, or I think it is identical, just slightly different naming convention. Okay, thank you very much.